Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Toyota Avensis. It's the 1.6 diesel. It's the business edition, so it's got a lot of extras on it. Drives extremely well, looks well for the mileage. Got the diamond cut alloy wheels. So it's a nice grey bronze colour, privacy glass. Again, diamond cut alloy wheels. Got a boot protector there. Absolutely gleaming in this weather, as you can see. Absolutely gleaming. He's got an absolutely humongous boot space, as you can see. Proper estate car with a parcel shelf. Inside the rear, you can see it's full leather interior. White stitch piping. Really been well looked after. I love this white stitching around here. It's got electric windows, electric mirrors. Suede on the driver's seat and the passenger. No wear on that at all. Electric wing mirrors. It's only done 86,525 miles. Just start the car up. Sounds amazing. Got cruise control on the car. Six-speed gearbox, media pack, satellite navigation, all the GPS is working on there. Reverse camera, it's not flashing, that's just the shutter speed on the camera, perfectly okay. Got rear, got a armrest with USBs there. Really does look and drive like half the mileage. Air conditioning, all good. Multifunction steering wheel, lane assist, Bluetooth connectivity. At DJH, provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.